The Siamang gibbon is an arboreal, black-furred gibbon, native to the forests of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. It lives in groups of up to 6 individuals with an average home range of 23 hectares. Note the large galah sac, throat pouch, found in both males and females of the species. It can be inflated to the size of the Siamang's head, allowing it to make loud, resonating calls or songs. Siamangs are a very social species of primates. They exhibit a variety of tactile and visual gestures, along with actions and facial expressions to communicate and increase social bonds within their family group. They are also territorial. They interact with other family groups by making loud calls to let other groups know where their territory is. The Siamang starts its day by calling in the early morning. The peak of the calls is around 9 to 10 at the morning. Calls are numerous when fruit is more abundant rather than when it is less available. Branch shaking, swinging, and moving around the tree crowns accompany the calling. This movement might be to show the other groups where they are. Mated pairs produce loud, well-patterned calling bouts, which are referred to as duetting. These calls advertise the presence and status of a mated pair. Newly formed pairs spend more time singing than an established pair. Advertising the presence of a strong bond is advantageous in territorial defense.